There is one AI model coming in 2026 that could reshape everything. Most freelancers and agency owners do not even know it exists yet. That model is Grok 5. What XAI is building inside it makes every other update this year look like a patch note. I want to break down what has been reported and what it means for your business. I also want to show you how to position yourself before the market catches up. Hey, I'm Paul James. On this channel, I cover free and low-cost AI tools. My whole focus is helping you build and grow a real service business with them. If you have been watching for a while, you know I do not hype things. So when I say Grok 5 deserves your attention right now, trust me on it. There is a real reason behind it. And I think by the end of this video, you will see exactly what that reason is. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the honest truth about the AI landscape right now. Most people using these tools for client work are already one step behind. They finish learning the last update, then the next one is already being tested somewhere else. And look, I understand that keeping pace is genuinely hard, but here is what most freelancers miss completely. You do not need to be an AI researcher to benefit from what is coming. You just need to see the shift before your competitors do. Then build your offer around it first. That gap between a capability landing and the market flooding in is where real income lives. Most people wait for a tool to be everywhere before they act on it. By then, the easy pricing is gone and the positioning is crowded. The freelancers who win are the ones who move when the gap is still open. I call that gap the first mover intelligence window. Here is the idea. Every time a major model ships something that changes what is possible, there is a window. In that window, almost no one is offering services built on top of it yet. Real-time data access, multimodal understanding, agentic workflows, none of it gets monetized overnight. If you understand the architecture before it arrives, you build your offer before the flood. That is the leverage play. And Grok 5 is about to open one of the biggest windows I have seen. So what exactly is Grok 5? Grok 5 is the next major model from XAI. That is Elon Musk's AI research company. And the reported capabilities on this model are genuinely different from anything before. Here is where things get interesting. The model is reportedly built on something called a mixture of experts architecture. Most AI models work like one enormous brain handling every prompt. Grok 5 runs more like a coordinated team of specialists. You send it a request. Only the experts relevant to that task actually activate. The rest stay dormant, so you get sharper output and faster responses. Think about what that means in an actual client workflow. Speed matters when you are on a deadline. Precision matters when your reputation is on the line. Both improve when the architecture underneath your tools is this clean. Stay with me, because this next piece is what most people skip past. Grok 5 is reportedly going to carry real-time access to X. That is the platform formerly known as Twitter. That means this model does not have a fixed knowledge cutoff. Almost every other AI does right now. But Grok 5 reads live data as it develops. Trending conversations, breaking developments, shifting sentiment, all of it current. For someone building content services or research packages, that changes what you can even offer a client. Most people never realize this. Real-time data access is not just a technical feature, it is a billable service category. You can build offerings around trend monitoring, live content briefs, and competitive tracking. Clients pay well for that kind of work. Right now, most of it requires expensive third-party tools or many manual hours to pull off. Grok 5 potentially changes that equation completely, and that shift creates early mover pricing power for the freelancers who see it first. Here is something else worth knowing. The reported parameter scale on Grok 5 is massive, bigger than anything XAI has shipped before. More internal capacity means the model holds more complexity per request. For a service business, that means longer research documents and tighter outputs, more nuanced content across longer projects, all in a single pass. That kind of capacity matters when you are building packages that justify a premium price, and it matters most for deep research work. Clients cannot easily get that kind of output elsewhere right now. That is a gap worth building a service around while it still exists. This part used to stress me out when I was first building my business. Keeping up with every shift in the tools felt impossible, especially running everything out of my brother's garage on basically no budget. The pace of AI felt like it was working against me. But here is what I eventually figured out. You do not need to master all of it. You just need to spot the one shift that opens a new door for your clients. And with Grok 5, there are several of those doors. The mixture of experts architecture means faster, cleaner output. That translates to higher quality deliverables for content work, copywriting, and research. Real-time data access opens a service category that takes expensive tools to replicate today. Most of your competitors are not even thinking about this angle yet. That gap is yours to claim. And there is one more angle here worth slowing down on. XAI is also building Grok 5 to handle text, images, and video together. Most tools today are specialized, one for writing, one for image analysis, one for video. A model that processes all three is a different kind of asset. For a freelancer or small agency, that means one platform covering more of your workflow. Fewer handoffs between tools, faster turnaround, better margin per client. Think about what that unlocks for your pricing. A service built on Grok 5's multimodal capability commands a different price conversation. Research, visual analysis, and written output, all from one workflow, changes the ask entirely. And walking into a proposal already integrating Grok 5 signals, you operate ahead of the market. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me make this tangible with a quick scenario. Picture a freelancer running content packages for local e-commerce brands. Right now, they are spending hours every week pulling trend data manually. They are writing captions and figuring out what is resonating in each client's niche. With Grok 5, live data, multimodal processing, specialist level output, the math changes. That freelancer cuts research and drafting time down considerably. They take on more clients without burning out. And here is the part that matters most. They are doing it while competitors still work off outdated AI outputs. That is the first mover intelligence window showing up as real revenue. The people who move first have the easiest conversations about premium pricing. Picture what your next 30 days look like when you are already fluent in Grok 5. Most of the market is still watching explainer videos trying to catch up. That timing advantage compounds fast. Clients remember who brought them the idea first. That is how you stop chasing work and start building something that referrals actually feed. The shift from chasing to attracting is the whole point of moving early on something like this. Most people do not realize that positioning is a time-sensitive asset. It compounds when you move early and costs you when you wait. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about. XAI holds a structural position no other AI company currently has. They control their compute infrastructure, their training data through X, and their full development team, all of it under one roof. That vertical setup means they ship major updates in weeks. Competitors take months to do the same. They have already been demonstrating that pace consistently. And it only accelerates as Grok 5 approaches its 2026 release window. And honestly, actually let me say this more directly. Even if only half the leaks prove accurate, the real-time data capability alone changes things. That feature does not show up in most models. It is specific to XAI's position as a company, and it is a genuine differentiator for anyone running content or research-based services for clients. This is where everything clicks. You do not need Grok 5 to be out before you start preparing. Look at your current service stack right now. Ask yourself one honest question: which part of my workflow changes most if I had access to live data? When Grok 5 drops, you will already know exactly where it fits, and you will be building offers around a capability your competitors have not started thinking about. If you made it this far, you already think differently about AI. Most people building service businesses around these tools miss this entirely. Take that seriously. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. I will see you in the next one.